There are a number of different types of coatings we can apply to your projects. The strongest coating we apply here at Wearmaster is Tungsten Carbide Nickel. Coatings made from tungsten carbide materials resist fretting, abrasion, hammer, and sliding wear. Woka 3500 series products are most often used for abrasion-resistant coatings in dry environments. It's twice as strong as steel, great corrosion resistance, top-level wear resistance, and scales at 50 to 60 Rockwell C. There are many applications for tungsten carbide nickel coating. The most common are agricultural wear parts, hydraulic cylinders, pump augers, wear sleeves, impellers, compressor pistons, and hydraulic rams.